Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kraken affiliate program for trading. To register with the Kraken affiliate program, first, visit the official Kraken website. Look for the affiliates section at the bottom of the homepage. Click on the affiliates link to learn more about the program. Read through the information provided to understand the benefits and requirements. When you're ready, locate the Apply Now button on the page. Click on this button to be redirected to the application form. Fill out the application form with your personal details. Provide accurate information, including your name and email address. Next, enter your website or social media links in the designated fields. Make sure to include any relevant online platforms you use for promoting. In the section for describing your promotional methods, be concise yet detailed. Explain how you plan to promote Kraken products and services. Once you have filled out the form, review your information for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your application submission. Wait for a response from the Kraken team regarding the status of your application. Once approved, log into your affiliate account using the credentials provided. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and tools available. Generate your unique affiliate links to start promoting. Use these links in your content to earn commissions on successful referrals. Stay informed about the latest offerings and promotions from Kraken. Regularly check your affiliate account for performance metrics and payouts. Engage with the Kraken affiliate community for tips and support. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning commissions with the Kraken affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.